So nandito kami ngayon sa Toys R Us. Ayan, UP Town Center. I'm here with my brother. So siya yung nag-attack sa akin for Beyblade. And yeah, actually first. Ano yun? Budol. Lason. Pero yun nga, so first tournament to ever. Pinunta na namin kasi free. So Banky tournament. So medyo limited. So tingnan natin. Mauna muna yung mga bata. So kami yun. Joke. Okay, so yun lang yung mga montage ng mga nauna sa amin before, no? Actually, medyo prompt naman siya, no? 2 p.m. nagsimula. So here, you can see, I'll just narrate the events, no? So I went with my, of course, I assumed na the opponent would use an attack bay first, no? But actually, nagulat ako, no? This was like a kid way younger than me. And he was using like first edition base, no? Parang Dryger yata, or actually hindi ko na maalala. So hindi nyo siya masyado makikita dito. I led with my Golem Rock. So ayun, so makikita nga medyo yung Beyblade niya. Sobrang aggressive niya, no? But fortunately, I think my Golem Rock will be able to hold on. And actually, ang bilis nga nung laban, no? So I got 1 point from that via spin finish. Okay, so in this next match, I think I was using my Silver Wolf on a 960 free ball, I think. So, yan. So, medyo I was trying to outlast the opponent every turn. Again, hindi ko na memorize kung ano yung gamit niya, but yeah, I won again via spin finish. Okay, so actually, gusto ko na rin i-narrate tong third match agad, no? Kasi may napansin lang din talaga ako, no? So makikita nyo dyan sa video, medyo nag-iisip-isip pa ako, no? Kunwari tactics. But sa totoo lang kasi, nagpalit ako ng launcher. Kasi yung next kong Beyblade na gagamitin was a left spinning Beyblade, no? Which is Cobalt Dragoon 560 Elevate, no? So ayun, nakalimutan ko ipakita. So pinakita ko. And then, mapapansin nyo dyan, boom, yan, no? Anong ginawa ko dyan? Yan, ginalaw ko yung ratchet. Which, siguro, baka wala naman siyang bearing, pero I think it will be relevant later. So, go shoot. Ayun. So, nakita nyo, pumutok agad, no? So, actually, the elevate bit is well known na actually, no? For easily bursting din, no? So, well, medyo malaki rin kasi siya. So, ayun nga yung nangyari, no? So, nag-burst. Ginalaw ko pa yung ratchet. So, medyo nagulat nga ako doon, actually. I think yung ginamit yung Beyblade then was like a first edition something, you know? So, yeah, blast from the past. So, now I switched it up and well, 4 points lang kasi to, no? So, I imagined that he's going to use his another attack Beyblade, no? So, or I have to outlast him somehow. So again, I think nag-rematch yung Dryger yata to eh. Tapos Siwo ulit yung gamit ko, Silver Wolf. 960 I think na free ball. So ayun, so medyo nagpanic ako. So for some reason, yun, nanalo nga rin yung Silver Wolf ko, which is yeah, very nice. So I think the points there was 2-3. No? I just only needed one more point, no? So, mapapansin nyo, ayun oh, nakita nyo yun? Nakita nyo yun, guys? Ginalaw ko ulit yung ratchet nung Golem Rock. So, anong relevance nun? Kaboom! Grabe. Pero grabe naman si ate na nahampas niya yung Beyblade eh, no? So, actually, medyo na-excite ako. Sayang. If it was 7 points, baka feeling ko matuto pa ako from my mistake. Pero hindi. I think that was really one of my bad habits, no? Dapat hindi ko ginagalaw or yung ratchet or yung stuff para, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, next up is a match of my brother and you see him here, no? Winawarningan niya yung mga tao to back away because, well, my brother is a really big guy and actually mas ma-power stand siya sa akin, no? But I think here in this match, he's really having problems with the height, no, of the stadium, no? Kasi I think we're playing on a higher stadium or a higher stand, no? But dun sa World Beyblade Championships that happened recently, sa floor nga siya, no? So, yeah, pahirapan. But here, I can already feel and see that my brother was having problems. See, oh, medyo mali na yung angulo niya or kakaiba na yung angulo niya. So, he's using Tyranno Beat, which, yeah, attack Beyblade, and he bursted his opponent. So, he's using Tyranno Beat 770 kick, I believe. Okay, so this is the second match. I think here he uses his Scorpio Spear. But sorry brother, I forgot already the parang feeling ko naka-level yata to. Ito yung naka-level niyang Scorpio Spear. Yeah, purple yung bit eh. So, yun, may nangyari doon, no? Lumipad yung Beyblade niya palabas. Na batak niya ng sobra, no? And I think nasira niya yung launcher, so he had to use another launcher. Okay. So, if you can only hear the Scorpio Spear, he's really screaming. Or parang medyo nawala yata yung scream niya dito. But, unfortunately, the Scorpio Spear really didn't have enough stamina. It's like, umiiwas yung kalaban, no? So, yeah, they had this death dance. But unfortunately, ang experience ko battling my brother over and over again using his Scorpio Spear, it really runs out of stamina very fast. So, opponent wins by spin finish. So, this is 2-1, still in favor of my brother. Here, he's using his Nightmare. Actually, nagulat nga ako kasi iniba niya yung lineup niya. He was using an Impact Drake before, but now, he used a Nightmare. But unfortunately, it was dominated by the opponent. I think Phoenix Wing ang gamit ng opponent noon, and he was pocketed. So, I think the score there was 3-2 na, no? And my brother used Tyranno Beat, but unfortunately, ayun, natamaan siya, no, on the way back. So, medyo na-pocket siya by chance, no? So, yeah, unfortunately. So, yun, talo kami pareho. So, maaga kaming umuwi. Ayun, so guys, we are back home. So, unfortunately, yung parehong match namin ended in losses. So, munti ka na manalo. But, yeah. So, we just learned a few lessons there. And, actually, medyo nabitin nga kami sa laban, no? Kasi parang elimination siya, hindi siya Swiss. So, yun lang, unfortunately. Though still had fun, no? So right now, we're still not satisfied. So we're gonna simulate again another battle using the Beyblades that we brought to the tournament. So, kakaiba tong mga setup na to from the last videos you saw. So, there. Let's try it out. Golem Rock na stock lang ito.
Tyranno Beat 770 kick.
Okay. Let's go. So, inuna ko talaga yung defense para to check out the opponent. So, 3,
2, 1, go.
So, medyo nagwawala yung Tyranno Beat. Kaya niya i-push si Golem Rock sa labas.
Medyo stable lang si Golden Rock. Ayan, medyo naging ano na siya, no? Pero I think yung, may ginawa ka sa akin dati na drop launch di ba? Yun talaga, natulak niya si Golden Rock palabas. Okay, so next, ito yung second kong ginamit sa tournament kanina, no? So, Silver Wolf na 960. So, nakabili na ako sa sarili ko at saka free ball.
Scorpio Spear 960 taper.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hindi ba siya nag-aerial? Okay guys, feeling ko relaunch yun, no? So, kasi parang narinig ko tumama siya sa ere bago 3,
3, 2, 1, go.
Yun lang, nag-burst. Okay. So actually, yun nga, hindi ko alam kung pwede ko munang i-tighten yung ratchets bago ko i-shoot sa tournament, no? Kasi may bad habit ako na ginagalaw ko yung ratchet. Pero ngayon hindi ko ginalaw, pero nag-burst pa rin siya. So, yeah. So, itong next na gamit ko, Cobalt Dragoon na 560 Elevate. Actually, ito yung pinaka na-disappoint sa akin today kasi pumutok siya for some reason.
Nightmail 160 11.
Parang yan yung bago niyang gamit niya, no? Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hindi, pero ano yan. Pero anong tawag doon? Nahatak mo yung stadium.
Warning yan.
Okay,
Pero,
sige.
ano yan?
Okay lang. So guys, yun nga. Ingat kayo. Nangyayari kasi yun. Relaunch lang.
Relaunch lang?
Oo.
Sige.
For video purposes. Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. First shot. What happened?
Parang feeling ko may problem sa ano na to.
Maybe kailangan ng ibang LED.
Medyo, yeah. Parang actually hindi yung problema yan na burst So, yeah. So, ano na yun? Panalo ko na actually kapag gano'n. Nag-pocket pero nag-burst.
Actually, kung mahirap yun kasi self-burst yun So, di naman ako yung nag-cause ng burst. So, hindi ko
Pero
alam.
feeling ko burst priority na yun if ever.
Sabagay.
Okay, sige. Ayun, so yeah. So lessons, I guess need pa ng konting fine-tuning. And di ko sure kung maluwag kasi ito So, ewan ko. Pero yun nga, I hope you enjoyed those battles. Yeah, more training pa. And sabagay, kakasimula pa lang. Just have fun and you won't burn out. Anyway, once again, this is Richard, aka Richard Zard, signing off. See you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye!